Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another fairly chilly night in the garden. Tonight we're going to be experimenting with something I played with a few months ago, a transparent base coat that I was really having a lot of fun with, and then I kind of hit some snags and I got another idea and I sort of walked away from it. But I was thinking about it the other day and thinking about using a transparent base coat on top of some stencils on a pre-painted canvas to see what that would look like and how the background would show through once the base coat was dry with the whatever pour we're going to do. So this is just, this poor little thing has been played with several times, pre-painted, some stencils on it. The stencils are of TLP Algae, which is kind of neat. I don't know, can you see them shifting color at all? Not yet. They're not completely dry, so but it's okay. So this is the canvas that we're going to be using. Let me show you my colors. First, let me show you my base coat. So this is my gel gloss pouring medium. I have a video on how I mix this up, how to mix my gel gloss pouring medium. I will link that for you up here. This is that same Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol, and then a lot of water to get it so that it's not leaving a mound at all. It's just sinking into itself, no mound. So hard for me to do, but this is the result that we want, requires this consistency. So that's the transparent base coat that we're going to be using. I'm also using, this is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, and these are all about the same consistency as that, sinking into themselves very quickly. And again, same pouring medium, just added water after the Floetrol. So there we go. So that's the Pearl Yellow from Amsterdam. This is Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics 24 karat gold. Our beautiful showgirl. This one is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, which I think is going to be a really good darker pop color against these lighter colors. And I have some Prussian blue also from Golden. Okay, that one looks a smidge thick. We might water that down just a tiny bit. So, okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use the transparent base coat, flood the canvas, put down some colors, and I'm going to be using my Makita mini leaf blower, my Frankenstein version with the blow dryer nozzle taped on there. I love this leaf blower because it's cordless, because it has a variable control that I can make harder or softer, and because it's always cool air. So, and I don't have a plug coming out that I get to dip in things, because I would do that totally. So that's the plan. So we're gonna put that aside. So let's start with the transparent base coat. We're gonna pour a nice thick layer on there. We're just gonna tilt this out. Now this is going to be interesting because the stencils, like I said, are not completely dry yet. About an hour ago. Those, do things when you're thinking about it. Okay, so we're just going to cover this. We're going to put a little bit more over here. This, and I think we're going to put like a little puddle in the middle too. Okay. Ooh, it's looking thin, isn't it? So a little bit, but okay. So if I am correct, this should dry completely clear. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to come in kind of off of this corner, and I'm going to start with the Pearl Yellow. I'm starting off the edge of the canvas. I'm going to go up like that. I'm going to put a little bit of the Prussian blue. Again, start off the edge of the canvas. Very thin line. I don't want a lot of paint here. Do some of our blue violet. Gold. Ooh, I'm going to come in with the Pearl Yellow one more time. Okay. All right. I think I need to put a little bit more on either side here. This is the base, the transparent base coat. Okay. Now I'm stalling. Let's blow this baby out and see what happens. I'm just going to put a little bit over here. Okay, so we're just going to blow that edge off. Kind of cool looking. All right, we're going to start over here and we're going to go side to side. Here we go. Okay. Wow, it actually kind of worked. Oh my god, I'm happy. Alright, I'm just going to do this little edge right here. Or not. I think the paint's trying to tell me we're done. This is cool though. Okay, I'm happy. What do you think, HOA?
It's awesome.
Turn it around so you can see it.
Very floral.
That's cool. Look how many cells we're getting. Yee! Okay. That's pretty nifty. Yeah, let's touch it. Just one spot right there. Let me see if I can get it off that corner. Good. Good. All right. This is looking awesome. I'm loving all of these pretty cells and this fanning shapes that are coming out of here. Really soft, very pretty. Not too much paint, which I'm really, really happy about. And I can see the stencils underneath. So that's going to be interesting to see how those show up underneath the transparent base coat. So this is awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give me a like. If you can, share the videos. It helps a lot and I really appreciate it. And leave me a comment. I love to talk to you guys. So we'll be right back with dried results. Okay, so this is the next day, and it's almost completely dry, just not in the center. This was pretty cool in terms of two separate experiments that went on. The first experiment was using this little Piggy pigment in Algae mixed with the Golden Heavy Gel Gloss to make those stencils on the dry base coat. And then the second experiment was using the transparent base coat on top of those stencils. And I'm very happy to say it seems to have worked very, very well, which means I finally had the consistency thin enough. And not only is it dry the next day, but it looks really cool. So the stencils are actually looking quite blingy and very, very pretty. That is Algae, the new color from TLP that I'm kind of obsessed with. I was really interested to see how this would happen. This one, for example, really cool stuff. Not completely dry. You can see still how it's kind of opaque and not as blingy. But the blowout actually went through the little indentations of the mandala, which is kind of really, really cool to me right now. I'm a little obsessed with that. The colors are beautiful. There's another one. There's another one up there that you can sort of see. But this came out really pretty as far as the blowout itself with the transparent base coat. I really like how this one came out. I think it's really pretty, very whimsical, kind of fanciful, dreamy. So really pretty stuff. I'm very, very pleased with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one too. And yeah, so we'll be back on Sunday with another pour. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. Please hit that like button. Leave me a comment if you can. Please share the video. That would be awesome. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on Sunday. Have a great week. Bye-bye.